Get Disney Bundle. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to get Disney Bundle if you already have Disney. So let's get started. First log into your Disney Plus account and review your current subscription. Visit the Disney Plus bundle page on the official Disney website to explore available bundle plans. Now choose the bundle you want, such as the trio. This includes Disney Plus Hulu and ESPN Plus, or the Duo Premium that includes Disney Plus with Hulu without ads. If your account qualifies, update your existing plan to add the bundle. If you're not eligible to switch directly, cancel your current subscription and then subscribe again using the bundle option. Now confirm the new plan and start enjoying the additional content including in your bundle. And that's how simply you will be able to get Disney bundle if you already have a Disney account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.